GNSS receivers. So to create a coordinate system, we are going to go to the project page, which is the first page, and we'll click on our coordinate system icons. So select coordinate system, and we're going to check if the coordinate system parameters type is on local parameters. So we'll leave that at local parameters. Then on the second line, we have 3 icons, green icon lines on the right side. So we'll click on those icons. As you can see, our coordinate list is empty. So to use the predefined, which is the FocaGeo coordinate system, any of the FocaGeo coordinate system, we'll go to templates. So click on templates. You can change this to the country that you are. You can use any country, but for this test we are using Nigeria, so select Nigeria, and these are the coordinate systems in Nigeria. If you want to get other coordinate systems, you can change this to all. Then you see different coordinate systems. If you want to search directly, you can go to the search and input. Let's say we are looking for WGS. So this is WGS, and you select your zone in the WGS coordinate system. So, but for now we are using Nigeria, so we'll go back to Nigeria, and under Nigeria we are using UTM zone 31. That is our zone. So we'll select that and we'll go to details. So you can just go through it to check if it is what you are, if it's the same thing with what you want to use. But if, as you can see, the first listing on this one is 500,000. That is okay. The central meridian is 3 degrees, so that is okay for MENA 31. So click OK, and then we'll click on apply. So if you want to save it, you can just click on OK, and it has saved to this project, the project that we created. But then if we want to create our own coordinate system, probably a customized or a local coordinate system that is not on the FocaGeo or on the predefined list, we'll still go back to coordinate system again. Make sure the coordinate system type is on local parameters. So we'll click on our list again to go to our coordinate list. Then we'll click on add. Now on the add page, we'll first of all type in the name for our coordinate system. So let's use vector 4 as the name of our coordinate system. So we are not going to touch anything here. So the next page, we have our projection parameters. On the projection mode, we are not using traverse indicator, we are using UTM. So we select UTM. On the central meridian, is going to be 3 degrees if we are using zone 31. It's going to be, I think, 6 or 9 degrees if you are using zone 32. So you select your zone. The southern hemisphere, you are going to leave it at off. You are not going to put it off. So you just leave it there. And you go to the next page, which is datum parameters. Here you enter your coordinate parameters. So we are going to use a Busa Wolf. On Busa Wolf, we enter, if you are using 3 coordinate system, 3 parameters, sorry, you enter just 3, which is the change, nothing the change in easting and the change in height. But if the coordinate system has 7 parameters, you enter all 7 of them. So I'm going to do that quickly. So for the first, we're going to type in 180.472174. Then for the second, we have 98.214179. For next, we have minus 113 dots. So that's supposed to be minus. Okay, so to get minus, you double tap. So 113.217457. Now the next is minus 4.944062. The next is minus 0.021137. The next we have minus 0.466633, and the last, which is the scale, is at minus 96.3465. So as you can see, this coordinate system we're using has 7 transformation parameters. So we've entered the 7 parameters. We'll go to the next page, which is the horizontal adjustment. On the horizontal adjustment page, we'll leave it at none. Both the grid and the mode is going to be like that. So on vertical, if you have a droid file, a droid model file, you can select it. But I'm not going to use this. I'm going to stop. Now last is a local offset. I don't have any local offset, so I'm done. I'm just going to click on OK, and it has been created. So if I want to use my vector coordinate system that I created, I just select it and I'll click on apply. So it has been applied to this same project. It has replaced the first one I entered. So that vector coordinate system has been applied to this project. So I can go on to do other things if I want to do so. Thank you very much, and go.